Stress, anxiety, pressure, tension are all part of the fast-paced lives the modern world imposes. Or does it? Is it possible to de-stress, decompress, and unwind despite the high-speed demands out there? Yes, you can own your time once again. You can find clarity even in the midst of life's storms, and you can learn how to approach circumstances from a new viewpoint, from a place of balance where you can catch your breath, reevaluate, resolve, and move on. In this course, you will develop the skills to live with confidence, patience, calm assertiveness, and peace of mind. Through mindfulness and conscious breath, self-awareness, and other simple, practical exercises, you will create your own new highway to fulfillment. Start today, and tomorrow will take care of itself. Super Stress Relief Kit. All you need to unwind.